Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Miss Circle voice. This unique vocal style is known for its robotic and somewhat unsettling qualities, often characterized by a flat, unwavering tone. We'll explore several methods, from digital manipulation to vocal techniques, to help you replicate this distinctive sound. Whether you're aiming for a fun impression or a creative project, understanding these approaches is key. One effective way to achieve this voice is through specialized voice changer software. Programs like VoiceMod or Clownfish allow you to modify your voice in real time. Focus on increasing the pitch slightly, perhaps by 1 or 2 semitones, and then apply a robotic or metallic filter. Many applications offer presets that can be fine-tuned to closely match the desired distorted, monotone quality. Practice speaking slowly and clearly while using these effects. Another excellent method involves using advanced text-to-speech generators. Many online platforms and software offer a wide array of synthetic voices, some specifically designed to sound robotic or artificial. Input your desired text and then select a voice that has a flat, monotone delivery. You can often adjust parameters like speech rate, making it slower and more deliberate, and fine-tune the pitch to achieve that signature, unwavering vocal quality. This is ideal for pre-recorded audio. If you prefer a vocal impression, focus on specific techniques. Begin by practicing a very flat, emotionless monotone, eliminating all natural vocal inflections. Try to maintain a consistent, slightly higher pitch throughout your speech. Control your breath carefully to avoid any natural fluctuations in volume or tone. Articulate each word clearly and deliberately, almost as if you are enunciating every syllable. Consistent practice, even for 5 to 10 minutes daily, will help refine your impression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.